PTSD, Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder, a long phrase that is fitting for an illness that unfortunately will stay with you for a very long time. I'm in pain all the time. You tell your mind to be quiet, but your mind won't listen. What finally helped me was visiting Yosemite and then correlating that to the garden. The connection that I made, in my belief, was the sole reason why I am still alive today. If it was not for a hiking trip by myself in Yosemite and the connection that I attained, then I would not have been here to listen to flowing waterfalls, the breeze through the forest, or to the sweet laughter of my children. I do not want to think about what would have happened to me if I did not take that trip. I can only assume that I would have continued being perpetually miserable.